Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from December the 9th through the 15th. And what I'm going to be doing this week is I got into my stickers and I remembered these squad goal stickers that I got, the Happy Planner ones. And I've done some from the different holidays, and I wanted to do the Christmas ones because I think they're so cute. So that's what we're going to be doing. And this is the paper that I've chosen. It reminds me of just getting out in the snow and having so much fun. And this reminds me of just the bulbs that you see at Christmas time, or the lights even. And now this just says, nice, someone was nice this year. And I'm going to be using that. And then I have this key lime Bic marker that I want to use. So let me take my pages out of my planner, and I'm glad that everyone enjoyed the My Christmas In theme. It is a good movie. Okay, I'm going to cut this paper first. I want it to be the dominant paper of my spread. And I did order a new 12-month Big Happy Planner online, and I'm really excited to get it. I haven't gotten it yet. When I get it, I'll show everyone what it looks like. And one of you told me the other day that Michael's is having this really good deal on their hot buy paper pads. They're $4.99. And they're usually like $19.99. And they had a bunch of Christmas ones, so I went and stocked up. And I'm going to be doing a haul to let everyone see what I picked up. But if you're interested in those hot buy pads, even the ones like I did my Cricut video with are in that, and they are $4.99, where I made the village. So you really can't beat Michael's hot buy paper pads. So thank you so much for telling me about those pads, because I had been so busy. I'm still not through Christmas shopping, and I hadn't had time. Okay, let's put our paper down like we want it. I just picked this washi up last year in a tube from Michael's. Both of these papers are old. I think I've used them in other Plan With Me's. But I think they're really cute. As a matter of fact, you could just do a spread like this and it would be so cute. But I want to liven it up a little bit. I just think this is pretty and festive. Okay, let's start gluing our paper down. And I'm really excited. My husband and I are going on a small trip to Nashville a couple days after Christmas, and naturally we're going to take you all along. We're flying up, and we're going to stay at the Gaylord Opryland Hotel, and I've stayed in it once before with Mom many years ago. But we are going, and I think we're going, they have like this ice carving that we're going to look at, and then we're going to look at all the shops in there and just really have a good time. So I think you all will enjoy it, and it's so decorated really nice for Christmas. So we are excited, and we're excited to take you along with us. So be looking forward to that. I think that is really cute. And this paper has a little bit of like a almost like a foil on it, so it's shiny. That is really pretty. And I love how this holly is along the bottom, so you really wouldn't even have to decorate the bottom. And I don't think I'm going to be honest. Okay, let's put some washi down. Now, I don't know if I'm going to like this washi or not. It's the kind that has the paper on the back, and it usually drives me crazy, but we'll see. But I thought it would be really cute with this spread. And that is cute. So far that's working nicely. It really is easy to decorate your planner, whether you do it for work or like if you're really busy and have a lot of things you have to do and you want to keep on track that way. Or if you just are like me, it's just a decorative outlet and I love doing it. You can really decorate it very inexpensively, and it's so much fun. I find I look at it more if it's decorated. When I worked as a nurse, I had my schedule and I had all different kinds of things that I had to write down. Now I don't have so much, but it's a good way to keep yourself on track. And I used to always keep a planner so I wouldn't miss anything that I was supposed to do. And I had like different little conferences that I had to go for the heart doctor that I worked for. He was really an electrophysiologist. He dealt with the electrical current of the heart and did ablations and pacemakers and ICDs, things like that. And I enjoyed that a lot. And then when I worked in surgery, I definitely had to keep my schedule written down because we were on call and we had to take, you know, nightly call every so often, and every other weekend you were on call, and you just really had to keep up with it. And now that I have this different life, like I said, I still stay really busy, but I don't have to write anything down that much. Except like different things from Mom or our appointments that we have or anything like that. But if you're really busy, it's a great way to keep yourself on track. And I do mine a little different than most people, like I've said. I have the Big Happy Planner. The monthly part of my Happy Planner, that's where I keep myself on track. Okay, I think that turned out really cute. I'm very happy with that, okay? So let's get in here and look at these little stickers. I think they're so cute. I think I'm going to get this one, and it just says, "Let It Snow." And I think I'm going to put it right here. I think that is super cute. Okay, and then all these where they're on the sled and they're doing snow angels and they're shopping. I really think these are cute. So we'll put her right here. She's taking a tree, maybe to work or to a friend. And then this one has been shopping, and she loves it. I cut my nails, and now I can't get anything loose. All right, and then maybe she's been shopping as well. And maybe she is just out for a nice walk in the crisp, cool air that I wish we had. It is supposed to get really cool tonight, though, so that is good. And then I think we will put these girls down that look like they're having so much fun on a sled. And maybe this one right here is making her very own snow angel. I just feel all the excitement from this. And maybe this girl, there's a gift here. It's a really big gift. Maybe she's hoping she's getting it. And then I love these trees. I think that is so pretty. And maybe we'll put a smaller one right here, like it's a little forest. And maybe we'll put this one right here. And maybe put a gift near that. I need to really get on my Christmas shopping. I'm cutting it really close. I've got a lot of it done, but I still need to do some more. And we'll just put a little hat there, a little beanie. And maybe we will put maybe just packages right here. And then a little sign that says gifts. I think that turned out really cute. Okay, let me write down just a few things that I need to do. Okay, let's put my pages back inside my planner and we will take a look at this. But this is adorable, I think. I love how it turned out. You can catch those sticker books on sale. I think right now they're like 40% off at Michael's, I believe. I think that's what I saw today when I was in there getting my paper. I'm filming this on Monday, the 9th. Okay, so here it is. I love how this turned out. I think it is really cute. I love this paper combination. I love the washi, and I love leaving it just plain down here. It looks so festive, and I really do love these stickers. They are so cute. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.